Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We did manage to collect a good amount of rainwater with the gutters we just installed. I know it looks kind of dirty and gross, so we're going to use this to start our landscaping process. And I think the first step is to do sheet mulching. Let's do some research. It looks pretty easy, just a lot of manual labor. We will be using this website, California Native Plant Species, and they also have a lot of ideas for what we want to do with the plants. We need a pickaxe and a shovel. Let's go pick those up. We are back from Harbor Freight with our pickaxes and shovel. This project has been going on for the past year and will probably take another year or two. So we've been asking family to save us cardboard and newspaper. We want to start with this front section over here. I will see how far I get until we run out of rainwater. Okay, that was kind of a lot of work. The goal is to get about an inch or two so we could get newspaper and cardboard down there. That little section took about 20 minutes. Let's keep working. That little segment took about 20 minutes. So this is going to be a long landscaping journey. I am throwing away all the dead stuff and the soil we are reusing. Going to take a break from the digging and put down the newspaper layer with some rainwater. I am using 4 layers of newspaper. Not too sure how much is the right amount. Going to take a break for today, cover this up so the newspaper doesn't fly away. We will resume tomorrow. Good morning. I was able to get the cardboard on this first section with the wood chips. I started working on the second section, got the newspaper and dirt in. Let's get the cardboard on there. So my understanding of the theory is the cardboard will block out the sun, so the weeds underneath will take a longer time to grow back in. On top, we are putting all of these wood chips. When we got our tree cut last year, we asked them to save us a bunch for this purpose of sheet mulching. and nothing has been growing here for a year, so hopefully there's not too many weeds and seeds contaminating the soil. Ideally, I think you want multiple layers of newspaper and cardboard, but this is already enough work that we are going with one layer of each. I'm going to try to start this third section and see if we could get that in one hyperlapse take. Besides doing that 15 more times or until we run out of rainwater, there isn't too much new information. I found out that physically pulling the weeds out with my hands was the easiest. Use the pick to loosen the soil up and the shovel to kind of flatten and grade it. Video 81 done.